welcome back to my channel, Ava the Awesomeness. I mean, I haven't been posting in literally 4 years. This has been dead for 3 years, and then I forgot about my YouTube channel, and I did move to South Carolina, and Hurricane Florence is hitting us really badly. But we don't have to evacuate because we're 2 hours off the coast, so that's, I guess, good news. But we're still getting hit pretty hard, and it's category 5. So we are not evacuating. We didn't have school for the past 2 weeks, so that's good. We just watched the news and someone almost fell into the ocean. I just wanted to keep you guys updated on the hurricane. I will try and post some of the wreckage that's happened over the hurricane. We might go out in the eye while it's calm, and I might take a video of that if I have Wi-Fi and our internet connection is up. Probably not, so don't look forward to it, but it might. So yeah. This is a really short video. It's only like 2 minutes, not even, probably like 1:30 seconds. I'm just gonna try and keep you updated on Florence. I'm gonna try and actually post this year. And yeah, so I'm gonna start doing my closing. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you like storms, and just like it in general. You don't have to if you don't want to. Subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and if you have done that, comment down below, post notification, #notification squad, and I might shout out you in my next video. Bye guys!